Most people think a ceiling fan just spins around and moves air. We have reached a point in human history where even the blades on your ceiling want to connect to your internet network. It sounds a bit ridiculous when you say it out loud. Why does a fan need an app? Why does it need a brain? I spent some time looking at this 52-inch smart ceiling fan to see if it actually changes your life or if it is just more noise in an already crowded tech market. On paper, the specs are pretty solid. It has a reversible motor, which is great for switching between summer cooling and winter heat distribution. It moves a lot of air. That is the baseline job of any fan, and it does that well. But the real pitch here is the lighting and the connectivity. You get this built-in lighting system that does way more than just turn on and off. You can change the color temperature from a warm yellow to a crisp white. You can set ambient lighting effects to match your mood or the time of day. It feels like your ceiling is trying to become a professional light show. Then you add in the voice control through your favorite smart home assistants. You can just tell your room to get cooler without moving a single muscle. This is where the divide happens between a gadget lover and a pragmatist. Think about being tucked into bed on a humid night. You are almost asleep, but you realize the room is just a bit too stuffy. Being able to whisper a command to slow down the fan or dim the lights feels like living in a futuristic dream. It is pure convenience at your fingertips. But let us be real for a second. If you strip away the Wi-Fi and the fancy app, it is still just a piece of hardware that pushes air around the room. It does not move the air in some magical smart way that a regular fan cannot achieve. The cooling itself remains exactly the same. You are paying a premium for the interface and the aesthetic control. If your home internet starts acting up, suddenly your high-tech fan feels a lot less clever. You might find yourself frustrated by things that used to be simple and manual. This product is a classic example of a lifestyle upgrade. It is not a necessity by any means. A standard fan with a pull chain or a simple remote still gets the job done for a fraction of the cost. However, for the person who has already automated their blinds and their thermostat, this is the missing piece of the puzzle. It integrates into your scene so your lights can dim and your fan can kick on the moment you start a movie. That level of automation is addictive once you get used to it. It is well built and it looks sleek. It does not feel like a cheap gimmick or a scam. It is a genuine piece of technology that works as advertised. You just have to decide if you are the kind of person who actually wants to manage their ceiling through a smartphone screen. If you love tinkering with settings and creating the perfect vibe, you will probably find it worth every penny. If you just want to stay cool while you sleep, you might be overpaying for bells and whistles you will forget about in a week. It really comes down to how much you value that extra layer of control over your environment. It is a solid piece of kit for the right house. Just make sure your Wi-Fi signal actually reaches the ceiling before you commit to the install. Sometimes we buy things because the idea of them is better than the reality. In this case, the reality is quite good, but it requires you to be an active participant in your smart home ecosystem. If you are not ready for that, keep it simple. If you are ready for the future, your ceiling is waiting for its upgrade. You have to consider the long-term maintenance too. A normal fan lasts 20 years because there is nothing to break except the motor. When you add a computer to the mix, you add software updates and potential bugs. It is a trade-off that every smart home enthusiast understands. You get more power and more options, but you also get a slightly more complex life. For some, the ability to wake up to a gentle breeze and a simulated sunrise is worth any amount of troubleshooting. For others, a simple flick of a switch is all the technology they will ever need. It is a fascinating look at how even the most basic household objects are getting a digital makeover. This fan does everything it claims to do. It spins fast. It glows bright. It listens to your voice. Now you just have to decide if you really need to talk to your ceiling.